While a glistening, blinding sheen is perfect for your nails and hair, a glossy glare on your face isn't as appealing. If you too have an oily skin type, here are the different ways to help you control oiliness and tackle this skin type from the comfort of your home. Face masks have been a weekly essential if you want to maintain flawless skin, but how do you do that without actually going broke? Here's a quick 2-ingredient DIY face mask recipe to pamper your skin. Make 1 ripe tomatoes puree and add 2 teaspoon pomegranate seed paste to it. Mix them well and apply it onto your face. Tomatoes are natural astringents that help lighten acne scars and blemishes, whereas pomegranate seeds are packed with antioxidants that penetrate deep into the skin and tighten it. Leave the mixture on for about 15 minutes so it can banish excess oil buildup and shrink the appearance of pores. On weekends, when you have the time to pamper your skin and keep oily skin fresh, whip up a cool DIY body mask. Take a bowl of curd, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera and 2 tablespoons of cornmeal to it. Sprinkle some turmeric on and mix the ingredients well. Apply on areas that tend to have a different texture on your body and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water or use a warm towel to remove the mask. The hydrating properties of these ingredients will soothe the skin and keep it fresh. Beauty enthusiasts are raving about the effects of face masks on our skin. So here's a cool DIY that works wonders for oily skin types. Take 1 cup of yogurt, add 1 tablespoon of honey, 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Yogurt is enriched with lactic acid that repairs the skin by tightening the pores and reducing wrinkles. Honey balances the pH levels of the skin and slows down its aging process. Rosemary essential oil reduces skin inflammation caused by acne. Jojoba oil deeply penetrates into the skin and controls oiliness, soothes acne, and calms sensitive skin. Leave the mixture on for about 15 minutes and then clean up your face with a soft, wet cloth and pat it dry with a fresh napkin. You'll see the difference on your skin with just 1 use. Detoxifying and maintaining oily skin is as important as following a weekly ritual, which will help control and balance the skin's oil levels. Take 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a pinch of turmeric and some water. Bentonite clay is a healing clay that is enriched with minerals that heal acne-prone skin. Yogurt clears blemishes and scars, whereas turmeric is anti-inflammatory and antiseptic. Mix it till it forms a paste and then top it up with a few drops of tea tree essential oil. This oil penetrates your skin through the pores and fights acne-causing bacteria. Apply and rinse after the mask dries out. You'll see that your skin has a glow to it and it feels softer. Flawless, glowing and acne-free skin is the ultimate goal we oily-skinned beauties desire. So here's a decadent cocoa powder face mask that will help you achieve just that. Take 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon fresh cream, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Mix everything together and then add 1/4 cup of milk to whip it into a paste. Cocoa powder is high in antioxidants that helps reduce the appearance of scars and fine lines. Fresh cream keeps the skin moisturized, whereas honey prevents acne and milk helps reduce pigmentation. All these ingredients together helps keep the sebum production in check and clears out blemishes and scars. The simple ingredients present in these super effective masks not only help tackle excessive oiliness and acne, but also reverse the signs of aging, making the skin firm and glowing. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.